numericals, problems, derivations, those questions where you are looking at them for 5 fucking minutes and have about what the hell are they talking. Guess what? I've been there. We think we have to memorize 50 formulas. We have to practice 5 times and still be able to remember all of that in our head. That's not how physics works. That's not how actually the mind works. So, today I'm going to provide you the simple system with no bullshit. Straight to the point. Step 1. I think this is where most of the students go wrong. We open a chapter, we see the formula and immediately start memorizing it. Like, okay, this is a formula, I need to remember this. But wait, have you ever asked yourself, why does the formula exist? What is the real life application of it? Have you ever? Never. Take as something as simple as Newton's second law, F equals ma. You could probably memorize it in like 5 seconds. But if I really give you a physical numerical, would you be able to solve it? Absolutely not. So before I start memorizing the formula, I understand what's the core concept behind it. A little bit. Don't go too deep into it because we are going to get into the puddle. But still, because once you understand it, memorizing becomes much easier. This is probably the biggest thing. You cannot just solve physics question like a magical buffoon looking at someone solving physics. You have to solve it yourself. And I'm saying this because I've also made this mistake too. You watch a teacher solve a question and you are sitting there thinking, yeah, I understand the concept, but suddenly after you close it and move to another chapter and you try to memorize it, the brain suddenly goes like, oh, we don't know this person, we don't know the concept. Like, what the hell is even going on, bruh, in your head? You have to understand yourself. So, solve physics. Just try to solve as many questions as possibly and humanly you can do. So, to immediately learn the concepts, just apply this method, which I call for myself the Rampage method. This is the method which I personally use, in which I just take a question bank and just move it from easy question immediately to the hard one, not the progressive one, because progressive overload, I don't think so. We have to do something so fast that your brain tries to capture the middle part automatically. It might not be the best information I'm giving you, but it worked for me, might as well work for you. Who knows? Okay, this is an important point. Let's say you are solving a physics question. You have been sitting there for like 5 minutes and your first instinct is, let's look at the answer and I'll probably solve it later. But no, that is absolutely wrong way, because if you do that, your mind is not cognitively functioning how to solve the question. It is just memorizing the way and the pattern of only one question, which will not be enough for you. I mean to say is, just don't immediately jump into the answer. Just try to solve it yourself. If you don't understand, try to understand the concepts first, as I said before, and then try it. And if nothing at your results goes the way, you can look at the question bank and the answer sheet. And yeah, in most cases just try to avoid it, because it will be better for you in your learning curve. It will make it more progressive. And yeah, at last I would just like to say that don't let one bad physics exam dictate how intelligent and smart you are. Maybe you studied the wrong way, you didn't practice enough, maybe you understood the chapter but couldn't apply it. Don't neglect yourself thinking, yeah, I'm freaking dumb, I have to be a smart ass person from the beginning to learn physics. No, you just have to look at the concepts, you just have to dive right into it. And yeah, that's it. And at last, if you are also a student who is trying to study smarter, I'm going to be sharing most of the things that I'm actually myself implementing in my life and trying to get greater CGPAs. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.